Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize HubSpot user roles for onboarding new reps. Complete guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your HubSpot account. Navigate to the settings icon located in the main navigation bar. In the settings menu, find and click on users and teams on the left sidebar. Next, click on create user to add a new representative. Enter the new user's email address in the provided field. Assign the appropriate roles by selecting the drop-down menu. Choose from available roles such as sales rep, marketing, or admin based on their job function. Review each role's permissions to ensure they align with the new rep's responsibilities. Once roles are selected, click Next to proceed. Customize the user's access settings by adjusting the permissions as needed. You may want to limit access to specific tools or data that do not pertain to their role. Confirm the settings for the new user to ensure everything is accurate. Finally, click the Send Invitation button to send onboarding instructions to the new rep. Monitor the status of the invitation under the Users and Teams section. Once the new rep accepts the invitation, their account will be fully activated. Repeat this process for additional new representatives as necessary. Communicate with your team to ensure everyone understands their specific roles and permissions. Regularly review user roles and permissions to maintain security and efficiency. This will help streamline the onboarding process for all new representatives. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.